Welcome to the Surfer Joe Show with Chef Franky. There's videos on YouTube saying if you have an old rusty grill, you can spray it down with cooking oil, heat up the grill, and it will make it somewhat like new. It won't be rusty no more. So, today we're going to give it a try. Let me show you. I have our old grill, which is over 10 years, which has been in all our videos. You can see it is well used. Very well used. Show you the top. And we are going to spray it down. Give you a back shot. And we're going to see how well it works. Now in the videos, it does not say how long it takes or how well it works. We're going to find out together. Over here, we see that Chef Franky got his well supplied. Also to mention, we are not being paid for this. We're not endorsing any products. We are simply learning together if something will work or not work. This is a nice fuel bag that Chef Franky got us to hold all our goods. Thank you, Chef Franky. He's in the kitchen coming up with some recipes and more ideas. So, we'll be right back. Okay, we are going to start spraying it down. I am using this as what I found in the warehouse club. Let's see if I can. And in all the videos, they say they put it on very heavy. So that is what we are going to do. We are going to put it on very, very heavy. And if it catches on fire, we got the water hose ready. And get all over there. If need be, call the fire department across the street. But this is what we do. We learn together. Soak it real good. And we do the whole outside. Pull this down, and we will start up here. Get it all around. I want to happen to say, make sure you always take precautions while doing this. Always. You always want to be safe. Safety has to always come first. Get way down there. Spray it really good. Spray it on there too. That part won't really get hot, but spray it down in there. Come underneath. Spray it down real good. And any leftover cooking oil you can use for cooking. Now we're going to soak this thing down. We are going to do it up. Get the part where the air comes in. Yeah, way under there. Way under there. As you can see, it's already starting to dry on there. Now we got it on the thermometer, which really won't matter. It's an oil. Now, get over in here. Get it good, all the rusty parts. Now you will notice I'm wearing a rubber glove. Why? Those are really rusty. And we want to spray them down. And the tool there will pick them up. We're going to lay these in here and spray them, and we will be flipping them over. That way we can get our charcoal in there. And in the videos they never say how much charcoal it takes. Okay, I'll just use the rubber glove part. Spray this all down. Nice and heavy. I'm trying to get this to be like new. And like I say, if we have to, We'll get the water hose on it. If it really gets bad, well, fire department's across the street, which I hope we don't have to use. Okay. Well, you know what? Here. Use the hand. We're going to spray that down too. Do it like this. And like this. And like this. And back to spraying. I know Chef Franky says we need a new pellet grill. He likes Pit Boss pellet grills, but at the moment, the pandemic going on in America and the world, we are trying to do the best we can with what we have. Heavily coat this down good. Let's spray this all down. Just because we're going to put the grades on there. All right. The tool. Now, so we don't have to take all the grades off. Okay, I'm gonna go get the charcoal ready and we'll be right back. To let everybody know, the fire had gone out after 5 minutes, so I relit it. We are gonna leave the lid open this time. So like I said, we are finding out together about this stuff. Hope it works. Now you can tell over here, I can't get too close, it's hot, it's somewhat dry and not rusty anymore. It might be working, but we're gonna let this all burn. But I wanted to let you know, after 5 minutes, those charcoals went out. I don't know how old the charcoals are. Franky, Kit, and Chef had got them. Okay, so be right back. Okay, the fire is going. Nice and hot. We are going to put the grades on. We're going to find out if it's true. If you actually can put cooking oil on the grill and make it like new. And if not, well, we found out together that somebody is doing something that actually made it work. Okay, get a good close look at that. That is the grill, and we are going to close it up. Woo! Let me get a rag, towel. You know what? I'm going to show you what it looks like. Right there. It's going up towards 550 degrees. 550 degrees. You can see you got flame coming out of the side. That's the charcoal briquette. You always want to be careful, because you can see some oil dripping out. So we got the water hose here. Water hose right there. We put it all underneath the grill. It's going to get very hot, and the oil is going to melt all over the grill. Some more water on the floor. We'll open that up some. Get some heat out. You can see it's smoking. Some more water for safety. And it actually acts like it's supposed to bake it all on there. So, we're going to find out how long this takes. Let me get you up to the grill now. Check that out. That says 600 degrees. So when you do this, you want to be in a well-ventilated area. You want to be very careful, because now that is really going up. That oil is heating up quick. Up to 700 degrees. I would never grill that high. But we're going to find out what happens. We'll be coming back to show everybody exactly. Get your undershot. See how it is. As time goes through, we'll be not really going to be timing it. But we'll let you know 15, 20 minutes, an hour. A whole bag of charcoal briquettes in there. So that was going to burn for a while. But as you can see, get on there again, the oil dripping from there from getting hot. Which, like I said, have something down under it, have the water hose ready. Oops, sorry. Let me put the water hose down. Oh, Chef Franky. Let me get Chef Franky out here for him to do all this. The charcoal's still hot inside. In fact, let me show you. Let me show you. You can see how hot it is. So it's gonna stay hot. We'll be checking back. Believe it or not, it has been half an hour from the start of the video. This is how everything is looking with the grill. I want to show you this temperature. If you can see that or not, it is up to 800 Fahrenheit degrees or over. You want to be very careful when your grill is this hot. I want to give you all around. You can see if you can see any of those embers burning in their red. It is very hot. Still some rust there. Not happy with that. But we are learning together. You can see some up there too. See if this myth is true or not true. So it's only been a half hour, and in the videos they do not say how long it takes, how hot to do it. We are going to do it ourselves. We are going to find out. If it works, good. If not, we learned about it. And you learn from watching our channel. We appreciate you watching our channel. Please subscribe, like the videos, and share the videos. We are setting up to start giving away free stuff, but you have to subscribe to our channel. All right, another break. All right, we are rolling. It has been another 20 minutes. And I wanted to show you this, that the temperature has dropped down to almost 550. It's looking a little better. It's drying up. Still right in there, you can see the rust. Might need another application, but here, let me get a paper towel. As this ring is not supposed to be hot, but the grill being so high in temperature, we want to take a look on the inside. Well, it's not too bad in the back. The grill, well, we still got rust there on the grill. Might need a wire brush, which I've never liked doing. But, ooh, check this out. It's gotten so hot, it looks like it might be peeling off the powder coat. Not too sure. It could be just age. But you want to be careful when doing things like this. Yeah, look at this way back there. Yeah, the powder coat coming off. You can see the bubbles. Yeah, it's taking off like the powder coat or whatever coating they put on there. I don't know. I'm guessing powder coat. Someone said in the video powder coat beforehand. But wow, okay. Well, we're not going to stop that from being rusty. But the inside doesn't look too bad. Grill plates can always be replaced. Always. The top one, well, we'll shut this back down. Yeah, grill plates can always be replaced. You can see now that we had the door open. The temperature has now dropped to around, let's go to around 350, going up towards 400. So, grill plates can be replaced. But it doesn't look too bad. So we will check back in another 20 or 30 minutes. It has been another 20 or 30 minutes. The temperature now is at 500 degrees. Don't know if you can see that. We are going to lift the lid one more time. That is nice and hot. As you can tell from the previous video, that these grates were pretty rusty, so the coating on there had come off over 10 years worth of use. Lucky we got that much. But I told Chef Franky, and he's found another solution about how to get the rust off the grill plates. So we'll see if it works. We are gonna let this go until it is done. The inside looks better. The outside looks better. So this is very plausible that you can spray a cooking oil all over the outside of the grill. Ooh, well, plausible. It's plausible. It's got some there on this little smokestack, but the rest of it still looks real good on the top. So, and here on the side, you still got some, but it's not as bad. But it's oiled, or whatever the spray uses. And so we will come back when it's completely cooled down, and we will finish up.